Hello there everybody, and today I'm going to be unboxing these iFuture wireless headphones, or wireless earphones rather, and these are pretty good for the price. So the price is 999 pesos. That is about $20. Just check that on the internet or whatever. So these are the features. So as you can see, it says Bluetooth 5, which my phone doesn't have, so it's not gonna really. But if you have Bluetooth 5 on your phone, well, this is good because it's actually gonna have a better connection and a more stable one. So as you can see, this is of course a stereo speaker, like a stereo earphones. You see, able to be used in either one or both earbuds. Battery capacity is 50 milliamp hours for each earbud, and battery capacity for the charging case is 450, which they say is about 4 times. You can charge it for about 4 times with the charging case. And let's unbox this. Yeah, this was bought at the SM department store, and of course it was in the tech accessories. We were just looking for some stuff, and I saw this and I was like, this is actually good, and good, and probably the best AirPods alternative if you don't have the money to buy Apple AirPods. So let's just unbox this right now. As you can see, that just comes off, and let's take it out. Alright, so as you can see, here are the earbuds or earphones. They look almost exactly like the Apple AirPods, and that's what we're going for basically. It's basically a much more affordable alternative to the Apple AirPods. As you can see, this is the right one. It can't really see the letter R there because of the flash, but yeah, there we go, letter R and letter L for left and right. And you see at the bottom here are the basically how we're gonna charge this. It's gonna go down here, and there's like a pin there or something. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, they have buttons too. As you can see, the right one, if you press it, if you hold this, I think you can call. I'm not so sure, but I think that's what it's supposed to do. And then just one tap is to pause. One tap on any side is gonna pause your music. Sadly, I haven't found out how to skip songs, but that's okay. These are the earpods. These are the earbuds, and yeah, this is the charging case, and see it says iFuture. Of course, that is a USB, micro USB, not USB-C, which is good for me because I don't have a USB-C charger, because I don't really have any phones with USB-C. You can see this is the power button. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's the little button there, and you can tap that and it'll go on. Hold on, there we go. You can't really see it here, but it should turn blue. Then to open it, just do that, and as you can see, that's how you're gonna charge it. So you can put it there, pretty good. Then lock it, then take it out, of course, if you want to listen to some music or watch videos on YouTube Whatever you want to do with these is good. For the charging, I think I've tested it out and it charges for this case along with the earbuds. It charges for about an hour. And battery life, I'm not so sure right now, but I think it should be at least 2.5 hours as it says in the box. I've been using this for like an hour before making this video and it's still not out of battery, which is good. And yeah, there's a light. There are individual lights for these two. They're basically red lights to indicate that they're charging. And here there's a red light somewhere here when you plug it in and charge it. That should blink, and once it stops blinking, I think that's when it's fully charged. So let's just pair it now. Set this aside. I'll get my tablet. Alright. See? Look at my home screen. So good. Let's turn on the Bluetooth now. And to turn these on, basically hold these buttons individually. You can turn on one side, but I don't know who would want that. So let's just turn these on. There should be lights there, but you can't really see it in the video. You see, there's a bit of light there. There you go. And it should pair right now if we scan. As you can see, scan right here. Hold up. Oh, there we go. iFuture. And as you see, it says that it's connected now. So let's just go to play music and gonna test it out. Alright, have some chuggy beats here. And yeah, by the way, to iFuture and SM, if you wanna send me something, please tell me. I would greatly appreciate it and make a video out of it. Bass in here is good. And if you go to the settings and then equalizer, this is a glitch, but on my phone it's completely okay. But you can set it to the bass mode, like it's there. I'll just say it's there on the bass like mode, and it's gonna sound a lot better. It's like simulating what headphones would sound like with the like covering your ear, of course, the headphones. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's test another one. I'm not sure if I can overlay this on the video, but it's a good song. Okay, that's loud. Alright. It's good. Yeah. I don't know why it just says this. It's just a glitch, maybe. Because I downloaded a song which has this thumbnail, and it just shows up for every other song. Alright, let's do that. Alright, it just stopped because of my alarm. But yeah, it's really good, I must say. So yeah, if you guys want to buy these, $20, 999 pesos. And yeah, this is compatible with iOS, I guess. Yeah, I don't really have AirPods, so I can't compare these, but compared to the SM earphones, they're good. I think they're a bit better, just a tiny bit better, and convenience as well of having no wires is pretty good. Not so much for like, I'm not sure if these are gonna fall out of your ears when you're like running or stuff. I haven't tried that out, and I won't try because I don't want to damage these. But yeah, they stick pretty well. I can shake my head and no problems. I mean, it depends on you if you want to do that. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you want more reviews and gameplay videos, then please comment down below and leave a like. Also, of course, subscribe to my channel. Stay blue, my friends. Goodbye.